Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing another really awesome product. Now, a little bit of information beforehand. As some of you guys may know, I main an iPad Air 2 for my tablet computing device. A little old. That's where this comes in. This is Apple's iPad Air, the new iPad Air, which is iPad Air 3. This is 10.5 inches. This is the 256 gig model. This is in the space gray flavor, so now I'm fully converting over to space gray. So let's do the plastic peel. Oh, there she is. Now, before we get into the actual iPad, let's take a look what we get inside of our little info packet. We have our little info guide, regulatory and legal, and of course we get our Apple stickers. We get our 12-watt power brick. Right, this is 12 and not 10. Yep, 12. And then your USB Type A to Lightning cable to charge it. And here is the iPad itself. Flip it over and get the peel. And there we go. It's clean except for this because I already smudged it. So here's a size comparison. Put them down. My iPad Air 2 is disgusting, but that's okay. A little taller up here. And I'm pretty sure it's slightly wider as well. A little taller, a little wider, just as thin or slightly thinner. Take a look around the iPad now. You have a microphone hole here and here. You have your camera, your power button, volume up and down. On this side you have a smart connector for the keyboard. So yeah, let's boot her up. Press and hold the power button. There we go. So here we go. Swipe up, English, United States. Where's my phone? I have a phone running iOS 11 or later. Bring it near to sign in automatically. Yep, there we go. Set up new iPad under my iCloud account. Set up. And then me position the, yeah, oh wow, alright, that was quick. Put in my passcode. Should finish setting up my iPad. Oh. Okay, my brightness isn't that low. Come on, man, don't do me like that. Make me seem like a freak. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, continue. Continue. See how many times this takes me now. Okay, setting up your Apple ID. I'm going to set this one up as a new iPad. Agree. Do it manually. Enable location services. Set up later. Continue. Play some music. Now, I don't know if you just saw that, but my phone registered the call out command, but then it realized the iPad was handling it, and it just let the iPad do it. So yeah, Apple ecosystem, pretty cool. Tap continue. I really don't need to know how many hours a day I spend on my devices. Don't share. So this is True Tone. It's already using True Tone right now, so if I hit see without True Tone, you see it has a little bit of a blue tint to it. I do like True Tone, so I'm going to keep that. Quick access to the dock. Yep, switch between recent apps. Quickly access controls. And get started. There we go. So this is a fresh iPad. I'm going to have to fiddle around with all my settings and figure that out. Let's see what it's running. 12.2. So the iPad Air 3 is on the left and the iPad Air 2 is on the right. So yeah, let me just bring the brightness up on both of them. You see the thinner bezels on the sides, obviously the bigger screen. This does support the first gen Apple Pencil and the Logitech Crayon. I am looking into getting the Logitech Crayon to review here on the channel, so look forward to that. So yeah, this has just been a quick unboxing of the new iPad. I'm gonna play around with it for a little bit, get all my settings figured out, and I'll come back in a couple weeks with a full review and comparison to the old one. I'll have this link down in the description for you guys to check out. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like. subscribe, turn on notifications with the bell icon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.